Alright, this is down the block. Beautiful out. Feels like the temperature is dropping. It's pretty cold out. It's supposed to get worse. Once again, there's my house. Neighbors. There's a house for sale down the street if anyone's interested. But if you look at the road, it is plowed. One thing about where I live, they take care of the streets. Now if they do something about the driveways, a different story. This should be about a 3-day event for me to get out my house. But it's okay. Got plenty of food, plenty of love, and clean underwear. Thank you and goodbye.